everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our knee strike or Moo Roop Kong Yuck.
Moo Roop Kong Yuck, sir.
Once more, Moo Roop
Moo Roop
Kong Yuck.
Kong Yuck.
Knee strike. So, knee strikes are performed. If you send them forward, they can go to the body, but most of the time they are going to the face, chin, or private parts, stomach area, straight lying down. So, what he's going to do is he's going to take a stance, fighting or front, it doesn't really matter. And he's going to he's going to bring out his. So, right now, this is somebody's head. He's holding that position. Now, he's going to pull his leg up and flex his toes down and send his knee up as his hands go down. Ready? Hey! Hey! Good. Once more. Hey! Hey! Opposite side, slow. He's in that position. He sends that knee up and the hands go down. Good. Now, ready? Hey! 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 Good. Now on a shield. So I'm holding the shield, so he's going to naturally put his hands on the top of it. This would be like if this is going to the body or whatever, and he's going to drive this up as high and as strong as he can while pulling down with the same amount of force. Hey! Hey! Good. Hey! Hey! Good. And that is our knee strike or Moo Roop Kong Yuck in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.